The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. This video will demonstrate creating a MyDMV portal account. Navigate to mydmvportal.flhsmv.gov. Whether you are accessing MyDMV portal from a cell phone, computer, or tablet, you can create an account by selecting Login to MyDMV portal. Read and agree to the terms of the Driver Privacy Protection Act warning by selecting the checkbox. Then select Enroll Now. Select one of the available options. For this video, we will select an individual. The information requested will differ based on whether the account is being created for an individual, a business, or a bulk/subscription service applicant. Enter the requested information. Ensure your entered information matches what FLHSMV has on record, such as name, date of birth, and social security number. Failure to provide the correct information may delay your MyDMV portal account creation process. Then, select Next. If a matching record cannot be located, an error message will appear at the top of the screen. Verify that you entered the correct information and try again. Once your record has been located, verify that the information on the screen is correct and agree to the perjury statement. Next, enter the email address and password you would like to use for your MyDMV portal account. Alternatively, you can log in using any of the available social media options. Congratulations! Your information has been accepted. Re-enter your email and select Send Email. You will have 24 hours to finalize your account. To finalize creating your MyDMV portal account, you will need to go to your email and follow the instructions to log into your account for the first time. Your account has been finalized. Follow the link to log into MyDMV portal and begin enjoying all that the site has to offer. The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. This video demonstrates managing subscriptions. Through your active MyDMV portal account, you can manage your renewal notices and driver record alerts. If you are accessing MyDMV portal from a cell phone, you can get to the menu by tapping the 3 lines at the top of the screen. The menu and options are listed here. Just select a service to begin. If you are accessing MyDMV portal using a laptop, then the menu options are along the top of the screen. Select My Account, then Subscriptions. The options displayed will depend on the credentials associated with your account. You have the option to subscribe to electronic renewal notices. Select Manage and then select the checkboxes for driver license, ID card, motor vehicle registration, and/or disable parking, then select Submit. You may also subscribe to receive electronic driver record alerts for yourself by selecting the Subscribe button, or a minor by selecting Manage. Then select the checkbox for the minor to turn alerts on. Then select Submit. When finished, a verification message will appear. Your subscriptions are all set. You may revisit this page and make updates at any time.
The Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal. Available anytime, anywhere. This video demonstrates managing your account. Through your active MyDMV portal account, you can update your preferred language, email address, password, or notification preferences. After logging into MyDMV portal, if you are using a mobile device, to update your profile settings, you can tap your icon here, or you can access the menu by tapping the 3 lines on the top right side of the screen to display the menu options. To visit your profile from your computer, click your icon here. Or you can select My Account, then Profile from the menu options. To change your preferred language, use the drop-down menu. Select your language and select Change Language. If you're on a mobile device, you can change your preferred language here at the top of the screen. To change the email address, in the Email Notifications Preferences, select the Change Email button. Enter your new email address twice, then select the Update Email button. A verification email will be sent to your new email address. You must click the link in the email to complete the update. To change your notification status preferences, select the Unsubscribe button. The button will change to say Subscribe. To change your password, select the Change Password button. Review the password requirements, which include a minimum of 8 characters, containing at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Enter your old password, then enter your chosen password twice. Then select the Change Password button. Your profile has been updated. The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. This video demonstrates recovering a forgotten email. Start by going to mydmvportal.flhsmv.gov. Select Login to MyDMV portal. Read and agree to the terms of the Driver Privacy Protection Act warning by selecting the checkbox. Then select the Forgot Email hyperlink near the bottom of the screen. Now you are ready to verify your account. Select one of the available options. The information requested will differ based on whether the account is being created for an individual, a business, or a bulk subscription service applicant. For the purpose of this video, we will select an individual. Then select Next. Enter the requested information. Make sure that the information is exactly as it appears on your driver license. To process the request, select Next. An email address hint pop-up will appear on the screen. For privacy purposes, some of the characters will be replaced with asterisks. The email address displayed here is what is associated with your MyDMV portal account. Use the full email address to log in to your MyDMV portal account. If the email address listed here is not a valid email address, then contact the customer service center at 1-850-617-3803. You should now be able to use your email to log in to MyDMV portal.
The Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. We encourage all customers to register and maintain their emergency contact information, which is available to law enforcement in the event of an emergency. Go to mydmvportal.flhsmv.gov to update or enter your emergency contact information. From the MyDMV portal home screen, you can click on Emergency Contact Information to register ECI using your DL or ID number and date of birth. You will only be able to enter the information here if you already have emergency contact information on file and would like to view or update your information. If you are on a mobile device, you can see your alerts here. You can go here to update your emergency contact information. From a computer, you can update your emergency contact information by selecting the link under My Alerts. You may also access ECI by selecting Driver License. Then select Emergency Contact. You may also access ECI by selecting Motor Vehicle. Then select Emergency Contact. On the Emergency Contact Information screen, you can identify a primary and secondary emergency contact. Enter the contact's name and address, then enter their phone number and their relationship to you. Select Make Primary to switch the contact order. After entering the required information, click Update. You have successfully updated your emergency contact information.
The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV Portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. In MyDMV Portal, you can view and print generated documents associated with your account, including notices, letters, and transcripts. If you are accessing MyDMV Portal from a cell phone, you can get to the menu by tapping the 3 lines at the top of the screen. The menu and options are listed here. Just select a service to begin. If you are accessing MyDMV Portal using a laptop, then the menu options are along the top of the screen. Select My Account, then Documents. The generated document screen displays the document date, document name, original delivery method, and a link to view or print each document associated with your account. Select View, Print to access the document PDF. Depending on your browser settings, documents you select may be opened in your browser or sent to your device's Downloads folder. And that's how you view FLHSMV issued letters and documents in MyDMV.
The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV Portal, your online self-service portal. Available anytime, anywhere. Through your activated MyDMV Portal account, you can renew or replace your driver license or ID card. After logging into MyDMV Portal, if you are using a mobile device, you can access the menu by tapping the 3 lines on the top right side of the screen to display the menu options. From a computer, select Driver License from the top menu bar. Then you can select Renew ID Card or Replace ID Card. You can also select Renew Driver License or Replace Driver License. Alternatively, you can select Shop Here. Then select Renew Replace My License or Renew Replace My ID Card. Once you have selected an option, review your active military status and make a selection, if applicable. Review your current residential address on file. Review your mailing address to make sure that you receive your documents. If you are at a temporary address, you can enter a one-time shipping address during checkout. Then select Update Next. In the driver license or ID card panels, select an eligible service to complete. Depending on your selection, an information or warning pop-up will appear. Select Yes to continue. Read and answer all of the questions, or the next button will not work. When you are finished, select Next. Review the confirmation screen to make sure that all of the information is correct. You may be issued a new driver license number. Make sure to update your records. Use the back or edit address buttons to return to previous screens. If all information is correct, select Add to Cart. Review your transaction details on the shopping cart preview screen. Select the Checkout button when you are ready to continue the checkout process. Make sure that this is your address. If you need to update your residential or mailing address, select Edit Address. If you would like to send your items to a different address than the one on file, select the Change link to enter a one-time shipping address. You should receive your credential in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Then, select Next to finish processing your request. Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV Portal, your online self-service portal. Available anytime, anywhere. Through your activated MyDMV Portal account, you can request a driving record transcript for yourself or another person. After logging into MyDMV Portal, if you are using a mobile device, you can access the menu by tapping the 3 lines on the top right side of the screen to display the menu options. From a computer, select Driver License from the top menu bar. Then select Driver License Record Request to request your own driver license record, or Other Driver License Record Request to request the driver license record for someone other than yourself. To request a commercial driver license record, select Commercial License from the menu. Then choose Driver License Record Request for your record or Other Driver License Record Request for someone else's CDL record. If requesting a record for someone other than yourself, you are required to provide the other person's driver license number or social security number and date of birth. Then, enter the first and last name of the person you are requesting the record for. This information is not required when requesting your own driver license record. After entering any required information, select the record type, non-certified or certified, and the desired delivery method, electronic download or mail delivery. Certified transcripts can only be received through mail and may take up to 2 weeks to deliver. You can request up to 20 copies of each certified record type. Fees are calculated per copy. If requesting your own driving record, you can select how much personally identifying information to include on the transcript. Select the information to include on the record request. Then, select Add to Cart. Review your transaction details on the shopping cart preview screen. Then, select Checkout when you are ready to continue the checkout process. Make sure that this is your address. If you need to update your residential or mailing address, select Edit Address. If you would like to send your items to a different address than the one on file, select the Change link to enter a one-time shipping address. You should receive your credential in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Then select Next. Electronic records are available within 24 hours and can be accessed by selecting My Account. Then select Documents. If there are no records shown, make sure that it has been 24 hours since you processed your electronic request.